Have you ever found yourself juggling personal and professional transactions on the same Venmo account, wishing there was a cleaner, more organized way to manage your business finances? If you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or even just someone who occasionally gets paid for services, you know the struggle. It starts innocently enough. A client pays you for a gig, a customer buys your handmade product, and before you know it, your personal Venmo feed is a chaotic mix of dinner splits with friends and incoming business revenue. It's messy, it's confusing, and frankly, it can make tax season a nightmare. But what if I told you there's a simple, straightforward solution built right into Venmo that can help you separate your personal and business finances with ease? That solution is the Venmo Business Profile. Many of you might be using Venmo for personal payments, sending money to friends, or splitting bills. It's convenient, it's fast, and it's practically ubiquitous. However, for those of us who also use it to receive payments for goods or services, continuing to use a personal account can quickly become a hindrance. Think about it. When you receive a payment to your personal Venmo account, it looks just like any other transaction. There's no clear distinction that this is income for your business. This can lead to a host of problems. Firstly, tracking your business income becomes incredibly difficult. You're left manually sifting through transactions, trying to remember which payments were for your side hustle and which were for last night's takeout. This takes up valuable time and increases the risk of errors, especially as your business grows. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, using a personal account for business transactions can create issues with accounting and taxes. The IRS, or your local tax authority, expects you to keep clear records of your business income and expenses. Commingling funds makes this much harder to do accurately. You might miss deductions, miscalculate your gross income, or even raise red flags during an audit simply because your financial records aren't properly organized. Thirdly, there's the issue of professionalism and customer perception. While Venmo is widely used, a personal profile might not convey the professional image you want for your business. A business profile allows you to display your business name, logo, and even a description of your services. It gives your customers confidence that they are dealing with a legitimate business, not just a casual payment. It also opens up features like QR codes for easy payments at events or in-store, and the ability to process larger transaction volumes with more flexibility. So, if you've been nodding along, recognizing these pain points, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to switch to a Venmo business profile. Whether you're starting a new venture, looking to legitimize your existing side hustle, or simply want to clean up your financial act, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. We'll cover everything from the initial eligibility requirements to setting up your profile, understanding the associated fees, and exploring the benefits that come with making the switch. First things first, let's address the question of eligibility. Who can create a Venmo business profile? Essentially, if you're selling goods or services, you're likely eligible. This includes independent contractors, freelancers, small business owners, artists, crafters, consultants, and anyone who receives payments for their professional activities. You don't need to be a registered corporation to open a business profile. Even sole proprietors can benefit greatly from this feature. The key is that you are conducting commercial transactions. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, the actual process of switching to or creating a Venmo business profile. Step 1. Open the Venmo app and navigate to your profile. The journey begins, as always, within the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version to ensure you have access to all the current features. Once you're logged in, tap on the Me tab, which is usually represented by your profile picture or initials, located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page. Step 2. Locate the Create a Business Profile option. On your personal profile page, you'll need to scroll down a bit. Look for an option that says something along the lines of Create a Business Profile or Business Profile. Venmo periodically updates its interface, so the exact wording or placement might vary slightly, but it will generally be clearly labeled under a Business or For Businesses section. Tap on this option to initiate the creation process. Step 3. Provide your business information. This is where you start building out your business identity on Venmo. You'll be prompted to enter several key pieces of information about your business. This typically includes business name. This is the name your customers will see. Make sure it's accurate and reflective of your brand. Business category. Select the category that best describes your business, e.g., retail, consulting, arts and crafts, services. This helps Venmo understand the nature of your transactions and can also be used for internal reporting and analytics. Business description, optional but recommended. This is your chance to tell customers what your business is all about. Keep it concise but informative, highlighting your unique selling proposition. Business address. You'll need to provide a physical address for your business. If you operate from home, your home address will suffice. Website, optional if you have a business website. Linking it here is a great way to drive traffic and provide more information to your customers. Business phone number, optional. Providing a dedicated business phone number can enhance your professionalism. Logo/profile picture, upload your business logo or a relevant image. This is crucial for branding and making your profile easily recognizable. A high-quality, professional logo will significantly enhance your business's appearance on Venmo. Take your time filling out this section accurately. This information will be visible to your customers and will form the public face of your business on Venmo. Step 4. Agree to the Merchant User Agreement. As with any financial service, there are terms and conditions you need to agree to. Venmo has a specific merchant user agreement that outlines the rules and responsibilities for using a business profile. It's crucial to read this agreement carefully, as it covers important aspects like fees, dispute resolution, and acceptable use. By proceeding, you are legally binding yourself to these terms. Don't just blindly click agree. Take a moment to understand what you're signing up for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.